string is a collection of characters. It is declared in single or double quotes. But what if we declare a toString and apply a plus operator? Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in this session, we will study what happens if we apply plus or star operator on strings. Suppose you have two strings S1 and S2 with values Python and programming respectively. Now we will write S equal to S1 plus S2. Then print the variable S. Run the code. Well, we got the output as Python programming, but it's look weird. I think adding a space will be great. So between S1 and S2, we will add a space in double quotes like this. Let's run the code. Well, this output looks good. So we use plus operator in the string to concatenate multiple string. Most of the programming languages use plus operator to concatenate the string. But in Python, we can do that without any operator. Just write str_temp equal to Python in double quotes. Then again programming in double quotes without any space. Run the code. Well, we got the expected output. The two strings concatenate without using an operator. But please avoid using this as it creates confusion while coding. Now let's move to star operator. This is the most exciting thing in Python. When we apply the star operator on the string, it's multiplied. Let's see how. Suppose you have a string S with the value Python. Now we will write S1 equal to S into 3. Then print the string S1. Run the code. We got Python printed 3 times. So star operator helps you to repeat a string n times. I hope you understood how to use the plus and star operator on strings. This is easy, but still practice few more examples. All the examples are available in this URL. See you in the next session.